Today, you will learn two error handling styles in Python. One is LBYL and the other one is EAFP. LBYL is short for look before you leap. For example, if I have data, which is a dictionary that has key 1 and value A for that key, and if I want to print what value has key 2, I first need to check if 2 exists in data, and if it exists, I can safely print data of 2. Else, I need to print something. In my case, I will print error. And now when I run this, error is printed because 2 is not inside data. According to LBYL philosophy, I first need to check if it exists, then print it. And that's exactly what I do. The pros with this is it is fast and explicit. The cons are it's verbose and you can overlook some errors. EAFP is short for easier to ask forgiveness than permission. That means I will try and print data of 2, but if this has some error, if this throws some error, except key error, print error. And now when I run this, it works the same as with LBYL philosophy. It prints error because 2 is not inside data. According to this philosophy, I will try to print it. Like here, I try to print it, but if error occurs, I will catch it with this except and print whatever I want. Pros with this, it's cleaner and it's likely to work most of the time. The cons are it becomes slower if you throw a lot of exceptions. In Python culture, EAFP is the preferred error handling style. So if you are using Python, then you should use this style. If you like this video, but you want to learn more about exceptions, I have a video prepared for you. It's on the screen now. Go check it and also smash that subscribe button.